What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Josh Helm here. It's another Truck Talk series for you guys. I'm enjoying doing these. I think this is a simple format for me to engage with you. As you guys have questions, you can put them in the comments below, and then we can address out some of these questions as we see fit or as we get time, especially the good ones. So this one came from one of our subscribers whose name is Icus, which was a few weeks ago on the What They're Not Telling You video that we did in the Truck Talk series, which we'll try to link up here at the top in the cards. So you guys know the routine. You just need to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, all of those things. That'd be great, so you can engage with us. You'll know when we drop a new video. We appreciate all the new subscribers as well. So we've got a lot happening on the forefront, which I'll tell you guys more about here maybe towards the end of this video, so you'll need to watch till the end. Today's question from Icus is, I've been watching a lot of your videos and I love the zip system. One thing I have not seen is putting the metal over the zip. How is this done? Doesn't screwing into the zip compromise the seal? Now this has been a question some folks have asked in the past. Primarily, I think what creates a little bit of confusion is because we're doing what we call the Zip 2.0. You guys might have seen on Matt Reisinger's channel years back. This is just something we established. We started doing similar to what they do. Well, we will take the liquid flashing and all of the extra holes and penetrations, we'll seal those up before we put our exterior siding, panels, whatever it is that we're using. And so it creates the question and the concern of, well, what about all the screws you're putting in the wall after you seal the wall up? Now you're making holes, and that's pretty much, I think, what the question is. So what you need to understand is, by warranty purposes, it's not even required that you seal the nails. Based on testing and things that my good friends like Steve Basic and the architect, as well as Jake Bruton, I think I just heard him talk about this, that with testing they have not found, number one, that even sealing those up is necessary as far as nail holes. And if it was necessary to keep air and moisture out, then the warranty would require that. So this is just a precautionary thing. Sometimes you get an overdriven nail, you want to make sure you get it covered, and this is something that we started doing, as well as our flashing details around the perimeters and the base of the home. We adapted and adopted that as our own as well. But when it comes to screwing in the panels, let me explain to you this process. For us, the panel itself is almost got a built-in rain screen application to it, because it's ribbed and you've got this drainage plane which allows moisture and air to come up through and to help dry the wall. So for our purposes, at least in the immediate, we are not doing a conventional rain screen method, when it comes to adding additional products and, in those scenarios. But as far as screwing the panel on the wall, this is not a problem, because we have a seal that's on the outside of the panel through our head washer that goes out there. So you're actually continuing that seal out there. And then it's been proven that a nail in the hole or a screw in the wall is actually going to do the job of plugging any air leakage, as well as water leakage, because the zip itself is a moisture barrier. as well as an air barrier. So people ask all the time, well, why use zip? You know, what is the advantages of using it zip? And my position on this is zip is the most efficient way to accomplish an air barrier on your home. So really the question isn't, uh, why would you use zip over OSB or typical methods outside of this particular product? The real question is, do you even want to have an air barrier on your home? Is this something that you're aiming for? And if you are, we've just found that this is the best product to use. So now on the roof area, we do have a project now which we're doing in collaboration with Huberwood Zip for our black gold Barndominium, guys. I'm pretty pumped about this, and we've already been out doing some episodes and things like that, where we're going to be putting the decking over top of the roof. And so we're going to be doing a lot of episodes talking about that. I think you guys are really going to like that. So you're going to have to follow along for more, subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more information coming about the Zip products as well, giving you all the key things to focus in on, what the advantages are, and the proper installation methods, all of that, which is more to come on this channel. So we appreciate you, Ickes, for the question. I hope that helps answer that question. Now for a few other things that we want to tell you about. We have been working very diligently on our website and in collaboration with our plan site to make this all integrated. I want you guys to be looking out for it. There's a couple of key URLs that we have that will take you straight there. Number one is bestbarndoplans.com. When you go to that link, you will find that we have over 50 plans of barndominiums that we're offering for sale there. You'll be able to search out a plan. You can go through the filtering and be able to see particular square footages, etc. This is something that you guys really should check out. Now, here recently, I know in the office they've been working on getting a direct link from each plan that goes to maybe a tour video, as well as a direct link that will go to a quote for that plan with Texas Best. So I think that's pretty exciting, kind of a groundbreaking thing for us that is simulating all these things. Now, the flip side of that is if you go to our main website, which is texasbestbarndominium.com, you can go to Barndo plans there, and you will see a list of all of the, say, notable barndominiums that you might recognize the names of, and you'll be able to click directly there, and it'll take you back to the plan page as well. We've also added a URL called barndoquote.com, which will take you straight to the calculator on our website. And we've added additional feature there where not only can you get a quote for building a turnkey build, but you can get a quote for building a shell only, as well as now you can get a quote for building a shop outside of doing a turnkey build or some of these other things. These are some of the needs that we found. So there's 3 different ways we're giving you quotes for projects on our site. So that's pretty cool. And then lastly, we've added another one that's called barndomerch.com, which our goal there is to be able to add a lot more hats for sale, which we've got a lot of products already there. This one is not there. That's a new hat design, but this one is. This is our trustee, and it's pretty cool. Anyways, yes, I'm driving down the road. I'm very attentive to the road at the same time, but we wanted to give you guys updates on all that. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We got a lot more truck talks to come and a lot more exciting news to come as well to the channel. So for those of you If you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Josh Helm, wishing you all the best. Thanks for watching. Texas Best.
Oh yeah, Texas Best.